Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 5. Name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. Name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. Name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. As we know that wild animals live in natural environment. Wild animals live in natural environment, and some live in forest or jungles and other live in water. Other live in water, and they are not domesticated. As we know that they are not domesticated, and they live wild, and they do not work for anybody, and food hunting is their main work. Food hunting is their main work. And some wild animals are big, others are small. And I will tell you name of some big wild animals. That is the giraffe, rhinoceros, whale, tiger, lion, elephant. And some small wild animals. That is a fox, zebra, snake, wolf, monkey, turtle, deer. Some small wild animals. And besides these there are a number of insects that live wild. And fly, wasp, bees, and dragonfly, and butterfly, louse, bug, etc. And are the some common insects. They are the some common eating habits of wild animals. As we know that some animals eat grasses, leaves, and plants, and they are called the plant eating animals. We can categorize as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous animals, and they are called the plant eating animals. Some animals eat grasses, leaves, and plants, and they are called the plant eating animals. And elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros, deer, zebra are among them. And some animals kill other animals. And eat their flesh. They are called the flesh eating animals. And lion, tiger, kingfisher, snake are among them. And snake swallows the animal whole. And some animals eat the flesh or remains of dead animals, and thus they help to keep the jungle clean. And such animals are called the scavenger, and this type of animals are called the scavengers. Jackal, hyena, vulture are among such animals. And some animals eat both plants and other animals. Bear and bat are among such animals. Bear and bats are among such animals. And some animals eat both plants and other animals. Bear and bat are among such animals. Homes of wild animals. And most wild animals do not build their homes. They choose natural shelters. And just like lion, bears, tigers, wolves, and foxes live in dens and caves. And elephant and deer live under the shades of big trees. And zebras hide themselves in tall grasses. And monkeys and langur live on trees. And snakes live in holes. Birds make their nest on trees. Protecting animals. Wild animals are also a part of the wealth of a nation, and we should protect them. It's our duty. We should protect them. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. Certain animals like the tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Asian elephant, red panda, snow leopard, great Indian bustard are very few in number now, and these animals will soon disappear if we do not protect them. So what have you learned in this chapter? Wild animals. As we know that wild animals live in a natural environment. Wild animals may be big or small, And some animals like lion and tigers live in dens and caves, and elephant live under the shades of a tree. A zebra hide itself in tall grasses. A zebra hide itself in tall grasses. And we should protect wild animals. We should protect wild animals. More to know. As we know that plant eating animals are called the herbivorous, flesh eating animals are called the carnivorous, animals eating both plants and other animals are called the omnivorous, and endangered animals are those which are likely to disappear in future are called the endangered species. And now exercises and few fill in the blanks. Wild animals live in a natural environment. Birds build their nests. Elephant and giraffes are plant-eating animals. Lion and tigers are flesh-eating animals. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. And write T for true and F for false. Deer, zebra, giraffe are domestic animals. False. Lion, tigers, wolves live in dens. True. Deer is a herbivore. True. Giraffe is a carnivore. False. Bear is an omnivore. True. Answer the following. What are wild animals? Give 3 examples. Wild animals, as we know that they are not domesticated and they live in a jungles. So, and 3 examples you can: zebra, lion, tiger. Name 3 natural shelters. Dens, caves, holes. Dens, caves, holes. And name 3 flesh-eating animals. Lion, tiger, snake. Lion, tiger, snake. Name 3 animals that feed on dead animals. Jackal, hyena, vulture. Jackal, hyena, vulture. Name 3 animals that are in danger. Name 3 animals that are in danger. Red panda, snow leopard, Indian rhinoceros. So this is all about chapter 5. This is all about chapter 5, and you will take revision of like that what I given in before 2 days in practice. You have to do at home. First you will write all the questions from the chapter I have given, and then you have to first you will write all the questions in rough copy, and then all the answers you have to learn, and then you have to write like this. You will take revision, and then you can check with yourselves. After that you can open your GSC copy and you can check with yourselves. Otherwise you have to write otherwise you can check with yourselves also. So you will write all the questions and then answers in copy, and then you can do with yourselves. And I have taken revision from all the chapters 2 or 3 times, so you will learn properly. First you will learn fill in the blanks, then multiple choice questions and all. And first thing is that spelling should be correct. While you are writing, spelling should be correct also. If spelling is not correct, means wrong. If you will write with wrong spellings, then it is not good. So you will learn the spellings also, because if spelling is not correct means sentence is wrong. So you will learn the spellings also. Those tough spellings you have to learn and take 2-3 times revision, and then you can do with yourselves. And this is all about chapter 5 wild animals. And what I given and what chapters I taught, you will take revision properly. I think 2 or 3 times I have taken revision. So accordingly you have to prepare, and you will take revision like that. I think all of you taking revision properly at home, and every day one chapter you can take revision, and you can learn, or otherwise you can learn like this. All the fill in the blanks from all the chapters you have to write together, and then you can write answer like that. You can learn. Otherwise you can take one chapter and write all the questions from that chapter, and then you can write. So like this you will take a revision.